Morning, students. Yesterday we had learned about the story of Chotu. Now we will start our new session. All living things need a shelter to live safely. A place in which a person or persons live is called a house. Yesterday also we learned about the difference between a house and a home. A house is a place which has walls and a roof. Everyone needs a house to live in. When a family lives in a house with love and care, we call it a home. Now we will talk about the different parts of a house. Chotu had divided the pipe into different parts. Can you also name the different parts of your house? So today we will talk about the different parts of a house. Every house has different parts or rooms for different purposes. For example, drawing room, where the guests are welcomed. Bedroom, that is for sleeping. Kitchen, for preparing food. Dining room is a place where we eat our meals. In a family, we all do our dinner together. Bathroom is a place where we take bath and so on. Now we will talk about that how a house protects us from cold. It protects us from the heat of the sun. It protects us from the rain. And it also protects us from the wind. You have all observed that whenever you feel any kind of heat, cold, rain and wind, the house protects us from all these kind of things. Our house keeps us safe from the thieves and wild animals. It provides us the safety from the thieves. There are different types of houses that we see around us. Here I have given some examples like Pakka house, Kacha house, tent, caravan, houseboat and igloo. We will talk about them in brief in the upcoming slides. First one is Pakka house. This house is built from bricks, stone, cement and steel. The windows and doors are of wood. It has a flat roof. This type of house is very strong. Mainly you can see these kind of houses in cities. Next house is Kacha house. This hut is built using mud, bamboo, twigs and leaves. These things are easily available to people who live near forests. This type of houses are not very strong, as you all can see. Generally, these kind of houses are found in villages. Now we will talk about a houseboat. Have you ever heard of a houseboat? Yes, it is found in the Kashmir. This house is built on a boat. It is called a houseboat. The house that is built on a boat, that is called a houseboat. These houses are generally found in the lakes of Kashmir. You can also see the pictures. The houseboats have all the facilities which can be found in any house. It can even move on water. Like your house is having different parts like kitchen, dining room. Same kind of things can be built in a houseboat and you can see them in a houseboat. Now the next one is an igloo. An igloo is built from the blocks of hard snow or ice. Eskimos live here. You can see the pictures of Eskimos and igloo below. These kind of houses are present in the snowy places like Antarctica. The next type of house is tent. Tent is a shelter made of some sort of fabric. It is a portable home which can be moved from one place to another. It is often used by us for camping as it provides us with a temporary shelter. Tents are also often used in emergencies like war and earthquakes. I hope that now you will be able to tell about the different types of houses and the different parts of a house, and you can easily name them, and you can also tell the difference about a kacha house and a pakka house, and what is the difference between a houseboat and an igloo. Thank you. Hope you all enjoy this video.